In this video, I will be discussing the journey of a normal person falling into the trading loop. And I think this concept is very much important for everyone who really want to keep themselves safe from the future problems they are most likely going to face. As the title of the video, the journey of a normal person falling into the trading loop. It comes with total 8 steps. And why I am discussing this concept is because since in the future episodes I will be discussing the technicals and I will be discussing the strategies and all that stuff. But since I have started this educational series for all of you, every other day I upload one educational video. But I don't want to, for a newcomer who come to trading, who listen about trading from my channel and then fall into this loop. Like this is Mr. A. He is living a very peaceful life right now. Maybe he has some financial problems. And if this Mr. A go through all of these 8 steps in his life, I will hold myself responsible for it. So this is the video. I want to make it part of this journey, the educational ones, the educational videos that I'm making for beginners, so that later I should be satisfied that okay, I have told them everything clearly. First of all, if you are someone who is completely beginner, I will advise you to watch this video. This is very much important for you. If you are someone who has gone through all of the 8 steps, then I think you should be thankful. Why? Because you have seen the ups and the downs in life, in trading life. And now finally you are at a better stage that at least you can do something for yourself. You are more aware of yourself, and out of you there must be some other traders who will be still like regretting, oh, I should not have heard about Forex, I should have not listened to that person, I should not have did this, that. My friends, if I tell you, most like 90% of the traders are losing because they are still asleep. From the mind, they are not aware. They are not aware of how much this trading can be serious. Okay, how serious this trading thing can be. They are not aware of it at all. So there are total 8 steps. Try to understand it, and in my future episodes I will also be trying to solve some of your problems as well. So if I simplify everything, there are total 8 steps. Okay, and by no means I want to demotivate you. I want everyone to be self-aware, because when it comes to money, money is directly linked to our peace of mind. Why? Because we live on money. Obviously we live on money. We pay our bills, we pay our expenses, everything. So I don't want to stretch the video. I just want to give you these 8 steps very clearly so that you understand it. Step number 1 is the spark. And this phase is where the dreams are born. This is like an innocent, like just as I said, this Mr. A is an innocent person. Very innocent. He just want to earn money. He just want to earn money. And maybe he sees some YouTube ad or something in which they say turn $100 to 1,000 or 10,000. And this innocent trader say, okay, wow, this is like it is easy for the advertisers to induce this idea in our mind that okay, $100 can be converted to $10,000. So this Mr. A innocent trader say, oh wow, I'm already in need of money, so why shouldn't I try turning $100 into 10,000? Or maybe he hears from his friend, and the friend say, bro, you can make money from your phone. Trader say, oh, how? Really? How is that possible? So then this innocent trader imagine freedom and say, I will have no boss, no stress, just charts and profits. Wow, this is so simple. This innocent trader thinks this in his mind. So they start watching videos, reading posts, feeling inspired, and they think, well, yes, this is it. My life is about to change now. Because the mentors, they make it this much simplify for you that a beginner consider, oh, this is my thing. Now I'm on the right path. Now why I spent this whole years on education and stuff. I should know this earlier. So this innocent trader thinks as this, yet he is not aware that this is just the step one. Okay, this is the step one. There are yet a lot of the phases to come and face. But since the trader is very innocent, he is almost always focusing on earning money. So there this trader ignores something. And this phase I will call is the hope plus excitement. Then comes the second phase, and that is the learning phase. And in this learning phase, this innocent trader thinks, I am getting it. They open a demo account which watch like different strategies on YouTube, moving averages, RSI, Fibonacci, candlesticks, literally everything. They win a few demo trades as well and feel powerful. They say, now I am the king of this whole world. They say, I understand the market. I just need to be serious now. And they deposit real money. This is the biggest mistake, bigger mistake I should say. Deposit real money. In the first, this real money is small money, but with big dreams. Maybe $100, maybe $500. And this is the phase of confidence plus illusion of control. So hope, first you are given hope plus excitement. Then you fell into this trap of confidence plus illusion of control. Then step number 3, and that is the first win. And they say this is easy. The first few real trades go well. They make $20, $30, $50. Like it feels like the market respects them. They start dreaming about quitting their job, and some people do quit their job. I have proof, I can show you. They quit their job. So they think we are people struggling. This is simple. We are people who are struggling. But this is simple right here. So this is the emotion of euphoria plus overconfidence. Euphoria plus overconfidence. Then the fourth stage. And that is the first loss. Things start to get worse from right here. It's a correction. So then one bad trade comes, they lose $50. Say, oh, I worked hard for 2 weeks and now $50 is gone from my hand. They tell themselves, it's normal. They add more money. They say, I'll recover it easily. But losses continue. and they start staying up late, glued to chart, chasing every move. Slowly denial plus fear comes into the trade because now he have these losses as well. Denial plus fear. And believe me, the moment fear comes in one's life, whether that is trading, whether that is some real life event or situation, when fear comes in our life, in humans' life, it destroy everything. So in stage number 4, the fear comes. And then the fifth is the downward spiral. And in the downward spiral, the slogan is I will win it back, because till stage number 5 they must, like, they have lost around good money, adding money into the account, losing it, adding money into the account, losing it, and nothing seems to be working. So from the step number 5 it becomes our addiction. Let me write it down. Addiction, plus shame, plus desperation. Now they overtrade, they switch strategies daily, they follow every signal group and influencer, they risk 10 to 20 or 30% per trade. One day they blow the account, they feel ashamed but deposit it again the next day, because this is now the addiction. They hide it from their family. They don't tell their family because of the self regrets, the doubts they have on their own self. And then number 6, and that is the break point. Sorry, breakout, I was supposed to say. The breaking point. And from here things further start to worse. They say, I hate myself. After months or years of trying, losing, and chasing, they realize they have lost not just money but peace. Remember, peace, okay? They lose peace. They lose confidence. They feel worthless. They compare themselves to others. Fake profits online. Their health, relationships, emotions suffer very badly. And this is a stage of exhaustion plus emptiness. Oh, what is the spelling? EXHAU. Exhaustion plus emptiness. Then number 7, the reflection. And to the lucky ones, this they reach to this 7 number. Okay, the lucky ones reach to the 7 number. Most of the traders, like 80% of the traders, are stuck in stage number 6. In stage number 7, the lucky ones reach them there. Okay, they ask, what happened to me? They look in mirror and say, this started as a dream of freedom. Now I'm a prisoner of my own screen at my own home. I don't feel my surroundings. I don't feel the air anymore. I used to love the weather. I cannot feel the weather anymore. What's happening? That's when real learning begins. Not of charts, but of themselves. And this is the awakening plus self awareness stage. And then step number 8, and that is rebuilding. And in the rebuilding stage, the person slowly learns to detach from outcome, starts journaling, understanding psychology, and accepting small profits. Learn patience, learn to rest. They begin trading like a monk, not a gambler. And most importantly, they realize the goal was never money, it was peace. Trading just exposed their inner chaos and taught them discipline. So, this is the stage of maturity plus wisdom. What did you understand from this video, my friends? I spent almost, if I tell you, in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. I spend most of the time in these 6, and I feel myself lucky, maybe, that I reached to step 7 and step 8. Rebuilding. So the purpose I discussed all of these things to all of you is, if one, since I will be making content for beginners as well from now on, so I don't want to hold myself responsible for step number 1 to step number 6. This innocent trader who is right now happy in his life, Mr. A, he is happy in his life, but I don't want to he listen about forex through my channel, because as in explaining this step number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, as in explaining, it seems okay, these are just phases. These are not phases, these are actual time in life, the actual life we live. This is that. For some people it can be 6 years, for some people it can be 2 years. If I sum up everything, I will say this Mr. A needs money, he is innocent. But unless he see it realistically, he will be going through all of these stages, and they are very painful, very distressing, very unpeaceful. 80 to 85% of the traders, they are normal but ends up in depression. Okay, so try to rewatch this video again and again and again. Find out in which stage you are. Let me know in the comment section down below, so I can make more videos for you to let you get out of these situations. If you want to quit trading, I can help you. If you want to focus on the stage number, like phase number 7 and 8, I can help you. I can help you in each and every stage, or each and every phase you are in right now. Okay, my friends, so I felt this is my responsibility, that on my channel one such video should be present, so that later when I grow older and when my channel will be super big, I don't make myself responsible for everyone who are passing by these stages. And perhaps that's one reason most of the hyped greedy traders, those who want to make quick money, They don't stay on my channel. On my channel, only those stay connected with me who really want to get out of these situations. So take a lot of care of yourself, and I will see you most probably in the NY session live. So then I will be focusing on the candles and those other stuff. Till then, take care of yourself. Give me your feedback. Goodbye.